This short lecture discusses Section 21 of the Companies Act, which deals with the requirement for a company to have a registered office. So each and every company is required to have a registered office, and the reason, that is the purpose of having a registered office, is quite simple. The reason is that a company, once it acquires legal status, so a company with legal existence obviously does have to have a specific location, that is a specific address, so that it can be known where the company can be found, where communications and notices etc. may be dispatched, and since it is essential to know where specific documents can be addressed and can be served on the company, so therefore for all of these reasons it is mandatory, that is it's essential that a company has a specific registered office. And as regards the time limit, the requirement is that a company has to have a registered office within a period of 30 days of its incorporation, and the company has to notify to the registrar in the manner that is specified in the Companies Act. Now, a related question is whether or not it is possible for a company to have any change in the situation of the registered office once it has been registered with the registrar. So the answer to this is that yes, it can, and Section 21, that is the same section which deals with the requirement for every company to have a registered office, also provides for the fact that in case of a change in the registered office, that is where the situation arises that a company wishes to make a change in the situation of the registered office, then it can definitely do so. However, the requirement is that notice of such change has to be given to the registrar once again in the specified form within a period of 15 days after the date of the change.